coming soon to me.
Hey y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it. So this is a 10-inch 613 unit that I ordered from BeautyByMaresa Hair. I got it off of Amazon. It was about $50, and it is a 13x4 lace frontal unit. And I'm just showing you guys what came in the box, the wig cap and the unit. Here is the construction of the cap. Now it said 10 inches, but okay, girl, that looks a little longer, more of like 12. Now the hairline did not come pre-plucked, but it's all good. We're going to make it work. And then the construction with the 3 combs and the adjustable straps. So I wanted to do something fun with color. So I separated my colors and I was going to hand paint them. But I got a little lazy, so I was like, you know what? Let me try this watercolor method out. So I ended up just having some hot water from my sink. I did not boil this water. And I just started out. This is my first time doing the watercolor method. And honestly, like, this is way easier to me. Like, for something kind of quick with color, way easier. And honestly, you want to just kind of add the color along the way as you go to see the intensity of color that you desire. Now, I end up using the entire bottle. And it's also helpful when you are doing the watercolor method that you are having a comb or a brush on standby so you can go ahead and brush the color through each time that you dip into the water to make sure that each strand is saturated with color. And my biggest fear with doing the watercolor method was I did not want the color to be on my lace, and it did not. So that was a lifesaver. So here's our sweet mint first. And I want to play up some colors, so I decided to do the emerald on the ends. We're just going to do like a deeper, I guess you could call this a reverse ombre because it's deeper on the ends versus the roots. And as you guys can see, I'm just pretty much trying to catch the ends of it. Now, I end up using about half of that bottle. And again, you want to make sure that you are adding color in as you go, for you to have that desired intensity of the color you want for your units. And this legit took me about 30 minutes to do. Like, you cannot beat that. And like I said it earlier, it's very helpful for you to have a brush so you can go ahead and brush that color through. And here are our results. I ended up doing some balayage to the front of the unit with that emerald color. And I blow dried it out, threw some curls in, and here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure you guys thumbs this video up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye.